Before your PC breaks, watch this. There's one hidden setting in Windows 11 that can literally save your entire system, and most people never turn it on. If your computer ever crashes, gets corrupted, or stops working properly, this feature can bring your system back to a working state in just a few clicks. Let me show you how to turn it on. First, click on the Start menu and type Create Restore Point. Now click on it to open. A System Properties window will appear. Here, you'll notice that protection is turned off by default on most systems. Now select your system drive, usually the C drive, and click on Configure. In the new window, select Turn on System Protection. You can also adjust disk space if you want, but the default setting works fine. Now click on Apply and then click OK. That's it, System Protection is now enabled. Now Windows will automatically create restore points whenever important changes happen, like updates or software installations. So if your PC ever crashes, gets a virus, or stops working properly, you can simply use System Restore to go back to a previous working state without losing your important files. This is one of the most important settings you should enable right now. Make sure you turn it on before it's too late. And subscribe for more simple tech tips like this.